Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to make emojis on Discord in a simple and easy way. You can create custom emojis for your server so everyone can use them in chats. First, make sure you are the server owner or have Manage Emojis permission. Without this, you cannot add emojis. Now, open Discord and go to your server. Click on the server name at the top left, then select Server Settings. Next, go to the Emoji section. Here you can see all the emojis already on your server. Click Upload Emoji. Choose an image from your computer or phone. Keep in mind, the image must be under 256 KB and usually works best as PNG or GIF for animated emojis. After uploading, give your emoji a name. This name is what people will type between colons to use it in chat, like smile. If you want animated emojis, make sure the image is a GIF and your server supports animated emojis. Discord. Nitro users can also use custom emojis across other servers. That's it. Your custom emoji is now ready, and members of your server can start using it in chats. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.